Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to add your credit card to Apple Pay. So first, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Then tap the plus button in the top right corner. Now after that, select debit or credit card, then tap continue. You can either hold your card near your iPhone or choose to enter the card details manually. Then follow the instruction to enter your card information. And you may need to verify your card through your bank or card issuer. Once the verification is complete, your card will be added to Apple Wallet and ready to use with Apple Pay. And if your card isn't supported, then check with your card issuer to make sure it's eligible for Apple Pay. So that was how to quickly link your credit card to Apple Pay. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.